Hello all. So in this session we will understand how to launch Chrome, Firefox and Edge browser by using Selenium WebDriver. So now we will see what all prerequisite things will be required. So first of all we need JDK 11. This is a supportable version, and then we need Selenium jar. So Selenium jar we need latest one. Latest Selenium jar we have 4.10, and we need one editor. It could be Eclipse or IntelliJ or Visual Studio. It could be any editor, right? These are the prerequisite things which is required for Selenium. So why we need JDK 11? Because I can show you, this is the blog of Selenium, right? And currently they have updated this blog, and see Java 8 support in Selenium. On September 30th, 2023, Java 11 will be the minimum version supported by Selenium. You can see this highlighted text. Selenium will stop supporting Java 8 on September 30th, 2023, right? So you will have to use Java 11. If you have any older version of Java, then how you can search the version? CMD you can type here, and you can check the version of Java first. Java space hyphen version. See, currently I have installed Java 11, but in case if you have JDK 1.8 or any lower version, then you will have to uninstall. Then how you can uninstall? You can click on this start button, and after that go into the settings, and in settings click on the system, and then you can click on this apps. Under apps you can see installed apps. Here we go, scroll down until you get it Java. See, so I have installed JDK 11, but till yesterday I had a JDK 1.8, so I have uninstalled and reinstalled this latest version of JDK. So how you can uninstall? You can click on these three dots, and then you will able to see uninstall button, right? So you can uninstall it. And how you can install the latest version? You can search download JDK 11, and the first link you can see https www.oracle.com, right? So you can click on it, and you can download it. If you are using Windows 64, then you can download it for this one, for 64. And if you are using 32-bit, then you can download for 32-bit, right? But as I am using 64-bit, then I will have to install this one, right? So as we are using Windows, and for Windows you can download this exe file from here. So once you will click on it, it will ask you to enter credential. So if you don't have the credential for this Oracle, then you can create it, right? It's a free of cost, right? So you can create, and then you can download this JDK, and after downloading you can just double click and install in your machine, right? So how we can download the Selenium jars? Here you can write Selenium. So once you will search this Selenium, you will get it this first link. This is the Selenium site. You can click on it, and after clicking you can click on this downloads and scroll down. See, so as I already have explained you, Selenium supports these many languages: C Sharp, Ruby, Java, Python and JavaScript, right? So you will have to install jar files separately. If you let's assume if you are using C Sharp language, then you will have to install this jar, and if you are using Ruby, then this one. For Java this one, and JavaScript this one, and Python for this one, right? For Python this one, right? So as we are going to work on Java with Selenium, then we will have to install this one, right? So let me click on it. See, it has started downloading, right? And this 4.10 4.10, right? This 4.10.0, this is the latest version of Selenium. So we are going to use latest version of Selenium. Sometimes interviewer ask what is the latest version of Selenium. Else they can ask which Selenium version you are using, right? Then you can tell them we are using Selenium 4.10. So see, it is been downloaded. Now I will go inside the download section. It has been downloaded. So once it will downloaded, I will extract it, extract all file, extract here only. So it has been extracted, right? Now I will create one simple Java project. This is a Java project. And here we can select the latest version of Java, that is Java SE 11. And here we can give the project name. So I'm creating a project with the name of Selenium Practice. And after creating this project, I will create one package. Here we can see one dummy class. We can delete this dummy class. It is not required. Now we can create one package with the name of launching browsers. Now let me create one class. Launch browser. Simply, just like Java, we can create a main method. And after creating a main method, we can write WebDriver. This WebDriver is an interface, right? And now we can give the one reference variable, that is driver is equal to new chromedriver. This WebDriver is an interface, chromedriver is a class, right? Now this class can implement to this WebDriver, right? Now we are trying to import, right? But we are not able to import because we have not imported the Selenium jar files in our project which we have created now, right? So what we will have to do, we will have to import. How we can import? Right click on this project and go into this build path, and after that you need to go and click on this configure build path. After that, click on this class path. Once you will click on class path, this left hand side options will be enabled, and after that you can click on this add external jars. Once you will click on it, after that go into the download section, and here you can see Selenium Java, right? You can open this folder and you need to select all the files except this lib folder, right? Unselect this lib folder, and after that you can open, you can click on open. It will add all the jar files. Again, what you will have to do, again apply and close it, right? Again you need to right click on this project, and after that you need to go build path. Again click on this configure build path. Again you can click on this class path, and after that click on this add external jars, and now we need to select all the jar files which is available under lib folder. You can open it and you can select all the jar files by using Control A. Open it. See, so I have added all the jar files, and click on this apply and close, right? So now all the jar files has been added. You can see here reference libraries, right? It means all the libraries of Selenium has been added. See, Selenium Java 4.10, right? All the jar files has been added now. Now if I'll try to import, then it will allow us to import. See, if you hover over on it, Then it is allowing us to import Chrome driver, since it is available under org.openqa.selenium.chrome package. It is a package, right? So this Chrome driver is a predefined class which is available under this Chrome driver package, right? So see, if I'll execute it, if I'll run this program, then it will launch Chrome driver. See, it is launching, right? But before Selenium 4.5.0, right, we had to download the exe file of any whatever the browser you are going to use, right? For that you had to download the driver exe file, executable file, right? And you had to set the system.set property like this. See, earlier we were using like this system.set property, set property, and here we were passing like this chrome driver dot chrome dot driver, and here we were passing the path of Chrome. Like I will show you. Here I have downloaded the exe file as well, this C Chrome driver, right? So earlier we had to download the Chrome driver exe, and for the Firefox we had to download the Gecko driver, right? But now it is not required to download anything. See, earlier we were doing like this. We were copying it from here. Before I'm talking about till Selenium version 4.5, till Selenium version 4.5.0, we had to download the exe file for any of the browser which you are going to use, right? And we were setting the path. We were setting the path like this. Suppose that here we have driver, right? So what we were doing, we were click on it, this property, and then we were copying this location of this exe driver here, and then we were passing this chromedriver.exe, right? So earlier we were using this system.set property till Selenium version 4.5, right? And then we were launching this browser, right? So before, without setting, right? So earlier we had to download the exe file of browsers, and then we had to use this system.set property, and after that we were using this we were setting the path of this Chrome driver, right? But now it is not required, since but since Selenium 4.6 version, we don't need to download any exe file, and we don't need to set any property. It is not required now. We can delete it. Now we don't need anything. Now simply we just need to write this line for launching any browser. So by using this one-liner code, you can launch any of the browser. Whatever the browser you want to launch, you can launch it any browser, right? I will explain you. See, so earlier we were using driver manager, right? But now, since Selenium 4.6 version, Selenium has replaced driver manager to Selenium manager, right? So now Selenium has all the binaries inbuilt, right? Now Selenium has every binary inbuilt, right? So we just simply need to write WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver, or here you can write Firefox driver or Edge driver, anything you can write here, and it simply just you can, and after that you can simply just run this program. It will launch the browser, right? In the latest version of Selenium, we don't need to set any system.set property, right? So here we just need to simply write this WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver. It will launch the browser. See, so whatever the browser you will write here, it will launch that browser only. See, so as of now, I have written the Chrome driver, so it will launch the Chrome driver, right? See, it has launched Chrome driver, right? So if we want to launch Firefox driver, then here we will have to write like this, Firefox, right? Firefox driver, and then you can run this program. Now it will launch the Firefox driver. And now it will launch the Firefox browser. See, it is launching Firefox browser. It is a Firefox, right? And if you want to launch Edge browser, then you can pass here Edge driver. See, now it will launch Edge driver. See, it is launching, right? And if you want to launch all three browser in one go, then also you can launch it. How we can launch it? Here only I can write 3 times this. We just need to pass unique reference variable name. So first one I have passed driver, second we can take driver1, and third one we can take it here driver2, right? And here I am writing Chrome driver, and the second one in the second object we are creating for Firefox. See, so here we are going to launch all three browser in one go. So let's run it. See, Chrome browser has been launched. Firefox is also launched. Now we are waiting for Edge. See, Edge is also launched. So all three browser has been launched here. You can see this is a Chrome, this is a Firefox, and this is a Edge. All three browser is launched, but it is not maximizing, right? So for maximizing, we can write a program. We can write a one-line code like this: driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. See, so as of now we have written for Chrome driver only, right? It will maximize only Chrome driver. Same for this Firefox. So we can use the same line of code. Just we need to change the reference variable here 1, and here we can pass 2, right? Now all three browser will maximize. See, browser is getting maximized. All three browser is getting maximized. So this is how we can launch the browser, right? So any of the browser you can launch it like this, right? So now we are going to remove it, and let me show you how to launch any application. Let's say I want to launch Google Chrome. Then how we can launch it? Simply here you can pass driver dot. See, these are the methods of WebDriver. Mostly interviewer ask what all the methods are available in WebDriver, right? So these are the WebDriver methods. You can see manage, navigate, notify all, switch to string, wait. These find elements, get class, get current URL, right? Get title. So the get window handle, get window handles, right? So these are the methods which are available under WebDriver, right? So WebDriver is an interface, and these are the methods which are available under WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver, right? So now we are going to use get method here. Get method, this first one, right? So here you can pass the, let me remove all the browsers which is being opened. I have closed all the browsers. Now what I'll do, here I'll open Google Chrome. So whatever the browser, whatever the application, whatever the application you want to launch, you will have to pass the URL of the application here, right? So as I'm passing here Google Chrome, you can pass any of the application URL here, right? So once you will run it, then it will launch chromedriver along with this Google Chrome. See, it has opened the Google Chrome, right? And if you want to open the facebook.com, so this is the facebook.com. You can copy it from here, the link, and you can replace with this google.com. Now if I launch the browser, then it will launch the browser along with this Facebook application. See, it is launching the Facebook application. So earlier it was launching this Google Chrome, and now it is launching the Facebook, right? I'm closing it. So whatever the application you want to open, you can pass the link of that application here. And if you want to check the title of the application, then how we can check the title? We have one method, driver dot, we have method that is get title. See here, get title, right? So by using this get title method, you can get the title of the application. So here you can put the system.out.println so that we can get the title. Let me run it. See, browser is being launched, application also been launched, and you can see here title Facebook-login or sign up, right? And see here it is printing Facebook-space login or sign up. Why it is printing here? Because here we have used system.out.println, right? So if you want to get any text, particular text, then you can use the system.out.println so that you can get the text, right? So this is how you can launch any of the browser, and you can open any of the application. You can get it the title, right? So today we have seen the latest version of Selenium, Java, and we have seen how to launch all three different browsers, right? And how to open any application, how to get the title of any application, right? So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. In the next session, we will understand the next topic, locators. Thank you guys for watching this video.